In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in FigJam. If you've ever moved a sticky type something you didn't mean to, or made a quick layout tweak you want to reverse, the undo command is your fastest safety net. I'll walk you through the exact menu path and share a few practical tips so you feel confident fixing mistakes in seconds. First, open your FigJam board so you're looking at the canvas. This can be any board you're working on. The process is the same whether you're in the browser or the desktop app. Make sure the canvas is active, meaning you can click and interact with items on the board. Now, add something to the canvas so we have a change to undo. You can type a quick note, drop a sticky, draw a simple shape, or move an object to a new spot. The specific action doesn't matter. Undo will target the most recent change you made on the board. Next, look to the very top left corner of the window and click the Figma icon to open the main menu. This is the hub for file and edit controls in both Figma and FigJam. When the menu opens, find and hover over Edit to reveal the editing commands. In that submenu, click Undo. As soon as you do, the last change you made will revert. If you typed a word, it disappears. If you moved a sticky, it snaps back to where it was. If you need to go back further, you can repeat the same action from the menu to walk backwards through your recent edits. If you prefer speed, here are the shortcuts that do the exact same thing without opening menus. On Mac, press Command plus Z. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Z. Tap the shortcut multiple times to keep stepping back through your actions. If you go one step too far, you can redo. On Mac, use Shift plus Command plus Z. On Windows, use Shift plus Ctrl plus Z. That puts the change back exactly as it was. A few helpful notes as you work. Undo in FigJam affects only your own actions, which is great in collaborative sessions. You won't accidentally undo someone else's work. It applies to the current file and your current session, so it's best to fix mistakes right away. For bigger rollbacks, consider saving versions regularly so you have clear checkpoints to return to later. And that's it. Open your board, make a quick change, then use the Figma menu edit, undo. Or simply use the shortcut to instantly take a step back.